Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we are going to talk about what can we expect to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum within the next hours. So basically, Bitcoin did exactly what I said. What do I mean by that? If you watched my last video, I said that we are forming this descending channel marked here in yellow, and that this channel is very likely to break out to the upside, and the target would be here, the blue line at $28.8K thousand. Okay, so what happened? Exactly what I did happen. So congrats if you took this trade. Let me show you guys. My trades here open on Phemex, 103% and 101% in a profit right now. If you also want to trade, you can always use my links in the description to get the highest available bonuses. So no time to waste, because we're here to make money. As you might also know, if you watched my last videos, this here is a bull flag, and the breakout target of this bull flag would be up here at almost $35,000, okay? But to reach this target, we have to break some resistance, important resistance. This is a very strong, this is a weekly resistance at about $33,000. This will take a little bit longer to break, I would say. And this one we tested a couple of times. You can see here, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. We tested this resistance 4 times. And you know, the more often a resistance level is tested, the more likely it is to break. So maybe we will break it soon. And as you can see here, this green line, the upper line of the channel here, of the bull flag, is working right now as support. So we might see a breakout to the upside soon, but now it's the weekend and the big players don't trade on the weekend. So maybe this will happen when the Asian markets open at Sunday night, okay? Let's have a look at Ethereum. What is going on here? Let's have a closer look. Also, what happened will not be a big surprise for you if you watched my video, because we basically broke out above the green line and also above the white line, and now we are again in this green resistance zone. As we have been a couple of times, we have a lot of hourly closes and wicks within this zone here. And to be really bullish, first of all, congrats if you also took the trade. To be really bullish and see a big pump to the upside, we have to have at least a 4 hourly close above this green resistance zone here, guys, above this zone. Then we can scale up the trades, or if you want to take profits, it's also never wrong to take profits. Next resistance levels you can see here and here, and then we are actually good to go even higher. There's not much resistance until we then could reach $2,000. So that's what's going on, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.